doing renovations, extensions, deckings, pergolas, all sorts of general carpentry work. I ran an ad this time last year with the local Blue, a 1/12th size ad, and that's generated a lot of business. And I was a little bit sceptical to start with before I ran the ad, but it's worked out really well for me, and I've now got a network of clients from that ad, and very pleased with my advert with the local Blue, and looking forward to continuing my advertising with them. Expense of running with the local papers, and it's generated just as much business, if not more, in a wider area, so it's been fantastic.